I'm working in a basic template in Genially in order to demonstrate for you the tools and controls that you have. We'll start here with the text tool. Notice if I click on any block of pre-existing text, I get some options. I can choose the font of the text here. I'll click on the font and I can look at all of the different fonts that are available and choose one. Next, I can choose the size of the text by clicking on these numbers to the right of the font name. On this side, to the left of the font name, I can choose the color of the text. Simply click on a color, move your cursor away, and click down. Next, I can choose the transparency of the text. If I click this control, I have a slider, and I can simply click and drag to make the text a different opacity. Next, I can designate where on the screen I would like to position the text. I can do this if I don't want to drag it around by eye. Here, I can choose the order or the layering of the text. So, if I wanted my text to appear behind this image and just part of it be coming out from behind the image, I would select the text, click this button, and I would choose to send the text to the back. If I wanted it to come to the front, I'd click that button and choose the front. I can also copy by clicking this button. So I've copied my text here. And now I can paste using the check command. And if I didn't want something, I can cut it just by clicking on it and clicking the scissors. Over to the right of the font size, I have options to bold the text or unbold it, italicize it, underline it, highlight it. And if I decided I didn't like something that I had done, I can click the back arrow to undo it. I can change the case. And notice that when I don't have anything selected, there aren't menu options here. Much like in Word and other programs, Genially is context sensitive, so it will offer you the tools based on what you have selected. I can change cases, I can make superscript and subscript, and I can add shadows here. And if I wanted to format the paragraph, I have tools to do that, including I can decide on how much spacing I want. I can make the spacing go get wider, and I can also adjust the space between the letters. Here I can delete the formatting and just come back to my words. And here I have the option for spell check. Those are the different formatting tools for text. To add text, you'll click this A text button here on the left, and you'll have a menu of different templates for text that you can add and customize. These are much like the options in programs like Canva, where the program genially has pre-matched the size and font to make creating visually pleasing designs easier. So those are the basics of working with text in Genially.